Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the microphone problem on any Vivo phone. Now, first of all, just check if the microphone of your smartphone is not blocked by any dust or debris. Now, once you have done that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now, in the search bar, just search microphone. Now, from here, just tap on microphone. Now from here, just make sure that you have given the microphone access to the app you want to use the microphone on. Just like that. And once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on System Update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. And once you have done that, just go back and tap on System Management. From here, just tap on Reset Options and tap on Reset All Settings. Now just tap on Reset All Settings. Now from here, just enter your pattern to confirm your action. Now from here, just tap on Reset All Settings. Now once you do that, your smartphone will reset all the settings and it will fix the microphone problem on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished resetting all the settings. Now, if this did not fix your microphone problem, then you might have a hardware issue with your microphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the microphone on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.